So guys, today I started my journey from back Bangalore to Mangalore. Actually, I had some work in Bangalore, so had been there for 5 days. Now I'm heading back. Currently, I have passed the night road toll. The night road. I'll be cruising in night road. Let's see. You can see I'm having coffee over here. It's been a long ride without break, and person cannot ride travel so long in a bike without a break. Guys, when you come, don't forget to uh, be responsible. Don't throw all the waste around and all. If you're a new rider, I don't prefer this one because I guess when we start to descend the car, so the road is not that great, and it's a concrete road here and there, and due to the rain, it's very slippery. So be careful while you ride, and pace is, I mean, no want to go towards the over here. This is the most beautiful part visited, supposed to visit. And as I said previously, you have to keep an eye on the road because there are patches of concrete. I had a getting experience there. My fuel was I couldn't see the names in the top of Bisle Ghat. Somehow I managed to get down. I was thinking I'll be stuck over there in between the local Bangalore and reached the fuel pump. Bangalore. Hello guys, I'm almost about to reach Granny's house. So that's for the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. And,